How to change Facebook page URL link. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch a Facebook application on your device and make sure that you have switched to your Facebook page. Now as you can see, I've already switched to the Facebook page. So simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner and then select on settings. As you select on settings, scroll down and you can see the option of page details over here. So as you tap on page details, you'll be able to see all the details about your page. Now go back and here simply tap on the page setup option. And as you tap on page setup, simply select on the name over here. You can also tap on username and here you can just write your name that you'd want to change it to. So I'm going to just select it for this one and then tap on save. And when you change the username, this is what your URL becomes, and you can just tap on save, and that's how you can change your Facebook page URL link. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.